Hello friends, this is the CSS tutorial part 2. Okay, in part 1 from where we at last we got here double. Okay, now we have saved this and now run this. Okay, first minimize this. Okay, now refresh this. Okay, we got double. Okay, now here we can write down reach RIDGE. Okay, save this. Now see, this has got some 3D effect only. Okay, now here we can give some another color. Okay, suppose we have given some yellow. Okay, save this and now see what happens. Okay, now suppose here we give read groove. Okay, GROOV groove. Now save this. Okay, now this is our side program. Okay, now here we can also give inset. Okay, save this. Now see what happened. Inset. We can also give here outset. Okay, or ut out. Save this. Okay. Now these are the properties of border. Here we can give thickness. Here we can give this property, and this is the color. Okay. Now what we will do? Here we can write down some class. Okay. Suppose we have one another paragraph. Okay. This is our second paragraph. Okay. Now close this. Okay. Save this. Now run this. Okay. We will got same property of p because here we have used the p. Okay, now we can use some class property. Okay, suppose we have given here some class whose name I have written down yellow. Okay, yellow y okay, save this and here write down class class red. Okay, we can write down any name here. Okay, now what happens using this class, we can use p dot yellow YELLOW. Okay, and save this, copy this, control C, and here we can write down enter, control V. Now enter control V. Okay, here we can write down this as red. Okay, p dash dot red. Save this and here we change the color as red. Okay, now save this. See what happens. Okay, here we got red border. Okay, now as we have used this p dot red, that's why it will be used only in p paragraph. Suppose here we will remove the p on red. Okay, and dot red. Now this class can also be used in this h1 heading. CLASS class red. Okay, red. This will become generic class. Okay, and now we will remove this code of h1. Okay, save this. Now see what happens. We have got same property on this heading of this. red. Okay, we can also remove p from here. Then we can use this yellow class anywhere in heading in anywhere. Okay. Okay, now suppose we want to use, suppose here we want to use some box property. Now what is the box property? Okay, we can see the box property. Suppose I will show you in the suppose paint box. Yeah. Suppose here we can show this box model. Okay, here we will write down some paint home. Okay, and here we will write down a box. Okay. Okay, and draw one another box. Draw one another box, or a small box. Okay, suppose one draw one another box. Okay, this is the box model. Here our content, suppose here our content in this smaller box. Then this will be the padding. Okay, now we will see in the box model. Okay, here will it will be the padding, and after that it will be the border, and after that it will be the margin. Okay, now you will see this. Where is our program? Okay, okay, we will write down the program. Okay, here our suppose we will expand this paragraph, second program paragraph. Okay, we will write down any some lines. Okay, we'll write down some paragraph. Okay, save this. Control S. Now what happens? Now minimize this. Okay, okay. Now we have saved this. Control S and run this. Okay, we have got. Now so expand this. Okay, we have got this. Okay, here we have got a paragraph. Okay, when we expand this, the paragraph is fully covered by the border. Okay, now remove the border here. Okay, no, no, change the thickness of the border. Okay, okay, now change the thickness of the border. Where is our border? Dot red. Suppose this is, then we will see properly. Okay, so this is 3 pixel. Okay, save this. Control S. Okay, now expand this. You will see the box model. Okay, yeah, now you can see properly. Okay, okay, okay. Now we will use some padding. This is our content. and after content, see the pen tool. Here it is content, after that this is padding. Now we will use padding. Okay, where we will use padding, remove the class rate from h1. Okay, we will use it in paragraph only. Okay, save this, and now we will use padding in the dot rate. Okay, padding, double D-I-N-G, padding, suppose 10 pixel from all sides. Okay, pixel, 10 pixel from all sides. Save this. Now see our program's output. Run. Okay, we will got 10 pixel space. This is not visible. Okay, I will extend this to 20 pixel. Okay, 20. Save this. Yes. Now run our program. Hmm. Now this is 20 pixel border padding from all sides. Now suppose we will give this 40, suppose 50 pixel padding. Now run this. Okay, this is 50 pixel padding. Okay, now make this class give some height and width. Okay, suppose width we will give this paragraph with mm, change this to 10 pixel, and width we will give 400 pixel. Okay, save this. Save this and give height also 400 pixel. Control C, Control V, Control S. Okay, now run this. We have got a border. Mm, Here we have seen that the letters are out of the border. Okay, for this one property we can use. Okay, now this use overflow. Over, overflow. Here we will write down hidden. HIDDEN, hidden. Okay, and save this. Now run this program. Okay, this the extended part is hidden. We can also use here scroll. Okay, SCROLL, scroll. Save this, and here we can use. We have got a nice scroll. Okay, scroll. The whole property is visible. Okay, okay. This is the overflow property. Suppose here we have used hidden. Okay, outside the early and hidden. Save this. Now run this. Okay. Now what is padding? Padding 10 pixels. Suppose we have given 30 pixel and then see what happens. Okay. We have got 30 pixel padding. Okay. Here it is overflow. Okay. That's why it is not getting the padding. Okay, padding from all four sides we will get. Okay. Suppose we want to get more padding from right side, left side. Okay, then we can give padding left, padding left, 100 pixel. Save this.